my lord.
अगर आपकी आमदनी नहीं है तो विवाह क्यों किया था?
My lord, I am surviving on doing pujas and havan. my
ठीक है ना, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है।
lord. And my lord, my wife has a
बहुत से
cosmetic.
वकील लोग छोड़ने को तैयार है प्रोफेशन को, एक मंदिर मिल जाए तो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है।
Evidence on.
तो फिर ऐसी पत्नी क्यों छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं जो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है और आपकी कोई आमदनी नहीं है? ऐसी पत्नी को छोड़ा जाता है क्या जो कि 15,000 रुपए महीना लाती हो, स्पेशली जब पति की कोई आमदनी ना हो?
अपेक्षा करते हैं सर कि एक से ज्यादा मिल जाए। हम तो धर्म परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं उसके लिए।
और 11 फरवरी 2022 का आदेश है वकील साहब, आप क्यों उसको प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं?
Lord, this is an MP preferred against the order dated 11/2/2022,
जी
wherein the court below has granted a maintenance penalty light and expense for the proceeding. Divorce proceedings are as well going parallel. My lord may give 4 weeks time because a compromise is possible that it will be reached.
आपको लिबर्टी दे देते हैं, विड्रॉ कर लीजिए। If compromise is not affected, you will be free to challenge this order.
My lord may keep it after 4 weeks
Why should we keep it pending?
because I have to argue on this matter.
Argue करिए, फिर you start argument.
My lord, because there is a possibility.
नहीं नहीं, merely on possibility we will
My
not
lord,
adjourn.
notice has also been refused.
वो तो बात की बात है, आपकी पॉसिबिलिटी के ऊपर हम केस एडजॉर्न नहीं करेंगे। अगर आपको लगता है तो आपको लिबर्टी देते हैं या आप कंप्रोमाइज वर्कआउट कर लीजिए, नहीं हो तो आप फ्रेश पिटीशन लगा दीजिएगा। आई एम ग्रांटिंग यू दैट लिबर्टी।
My lord, the marriage took place. The petitioner and respondent are husband and wife.
जी
My lord, the marriage took place on 2/5/2005.
जी
Thereafter, on 15/6/2014, the wife filed a complaint against the husband under section 498 of IPC
जी
and 406 of IPC.
जी
Thereafter, by order dated 7/10/2015, the petitioner got exonerated of the charges. my lord.
जी
Petitioner is a priest, my lord. He does home havans and puja, and he has no fixed income.
जी।
Thereafter,
तो ऑक्यूपेशन सर्विस कैसे लिखा हुआ है आपने पिटिशनर का? पढ़िए, टाइटल में ऑक्यूपेशन तो पढ़िए।
my lord, his job is no more with him. He's been.
सेल्फ ऑक्यूपेशन आएगा ना, सर्विस कैसे आ जाएगा?
My lord, that is a clerical mistake.
क्लरिकल मिस्टेक हाथ से।
My lord, he is not employed anywhere as of today.
चलिए हाँ
Lord, after that, my lord, on
जी
27/8/2019,
हाँ।
the petitioner files section 13 application
जी
for divorce on
जी।
ground of cruelty, my lord.
राइट
Then the wife prefers an application under section 24
यस
for maintenance penalty light
जी
and expenses for proceeding. my lord.
यस
The lower court passes an order on 11/2/2022
जी
stating that application under section 24 is allowed,
जी
whereby it was ordered that 5,000 as maintenance is to be paid and 5,000 and litigation expense
जी।
has to be paid, my
क्या
lord.
गलत है इसमें?
My lord, because I have no fixed income as of today, my lord.
अगर आपकी आमदनी नहीं है तो विवाह क्यों किया था?
My lord, I am surviving on doing pujas and havan. my lord.
ठीक है ना, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है।
And my lord, my wife has a
बहुत से
cosmetic.
वकील लोग छोड़ने को तैयार है प्रोफेशन को, एक मंदिर मिल जाए तो।
My lord, my wife runs a cosmetic shop. She earns 15,000. And
कहाँ है वो कहाँ है? एफिडेविट आया होगा ना? कहाँ है उसका एविडेंस कि वो कॉस्मेटिक शॉप चलाती हैं और 15,000 रुपए कमाती है?
evidence on.
तो फिर ऐसी पत्नी क्यों छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं जो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है और आपकी कोई आमदनी
Because,
नहीं है?
Lord, on ground of cruelty, my
अच्छा
lord.
अच्छा,
She
नहीं
has
तो वो ठीक,
preferred
अरे अरे वकील साहब वो ठीक है, वो आपका निजी मैटर है, लेकिन आपको अवस्थी साहब ने ज्ञान नहीं दिया कि 15,000 रुपए कमाने वाली पत्नी को नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए जबकि खुद की आमदनी ना हो।
My lord, on
आप
ground.
मिश्रा साहब से पूछिए, मिश्रा साहब ऐसी पत्नी को छोड़ा जाता है क्या जो कि 15,000 रुपए महीना लाती हो, स्पेशली जब पति की कोई आमदनी ना हो?
अपेक्षा करते हैं सर कि एक से ज्यादा मिल जाए। हम तो धर्म परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं उसके लिए।
हाँ फिर
My lord, on grounds of cruelty.
नहीं
I
वो
have preferred-
वी आर नॉट डीलिंग विद योर डाइवोर्स पिटीशन, वो तो ट्रायल कोर्ट डिसाइड
My lord,
करेगा।
I don't have any fixed income, my lord.
सो व्हाट?
She has an 15,000 earning.
कहाँ है? मैंने वही तो पूछा, उसका प्रमाण बताइए ना, उसके एविडेंस बताइए।
Lord, evidence is not with me.
फिर और 11 फरवरी 2022 का आदेश है वकील साहब, आप क्यों उसको प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं?
Lord, I will file additional documents.
उससे क्या हो गया? हम आज पिटीशन खारिज हो जाएगी तो उसके बाद आप क्या फाइल करेंगे? कोई स्टे है नहीं आपके पक्ष में, 2 साल से आप इसको 2.5 साल से रगड़ रहे हैं मैटर को। अब तो 3 ही साल होने को आ गए, कुछ है नहीं वकील साहब। देखिएगा, दिस पिटीशन इज फाइल्ड चैलेंजिंग द ऑर्डर डेटेड 11 फरवरी 2022 passed by learned additional principal judge family court Bhopal in RCS HM 1108/2019, whereby London Trial Court in the proceedings on an application moved by the respondent wife under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act has granted monthly maintenance of rupees 5,000 per month and litigation expenses to the tune of rupees 5,000. Next one. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is not having any fixed source of income. He is performing the work of puja, part, home, havan, etc. And therefore, he is not in a position to give such maintenance in favor of his wife. Full stop. It is also submitted that wife is having a business of cosmetics and earns a sum of rupees 15,000 per month. Therefore, the order of maintenance granted in favor of the wife during the pendency of the divorce proceedings as have been initiated by the petitioner needs to be set aside. Next whereas, when this court wanted to know as in regard to the evidence as to the income of the wife, he fairly submits that he has no such material available with him. Full stop. As far as his income, as far as income of the petitioner is concerned, when it is pointed out to Shri Kaustubh Tiwari from the cost title of this petition that occupation is mentioned as service, then he submits that it is a typographical error. Full stop. Thus, this case appears to be case of comedy of errors where the first error evidence to substantiate the income of the wife as alleged by the husband. Second error is that husband petitioner himself does not know his occupation and it is mentioned as service, but orally it is submitted that he is engaged in the occupation of panditai and performing home, havan, puja part, etc.
I've
Full stop.
mentioned in the facts of the case.
Take it. Next one. When award of sum of rupees 5,000 as monthly maintenance is taken into consideration, then this amount is too meager. Full stop. In the times of inflation, so the sum of rupees 5,000 is less than minimum wages for even an unskilled laborer. Full stop. Thus, this amount when tested, then in absence of any evidence that the wife is employed and there being no affidavit in support of this contention and no material available on record, impugned order cannot be faulted with. Petition fails and is dismissed. Let arrears of the maintenance be paid by the petitioner within 3 months if not already paid.